Nice to meet you, Ben, and welcome to the conference for the first time as you're here with us. I would like to give you this opportunity to talk a bit about Analysys Mason and what do you do.
Okay, sure. So Analysys Mason is a consulting and research specialist. So we work in the telecoms, media and technology sector. We're a global consultancy. So I work from the UK. I'm based in our Manchester office, offices all over the world. And so we split our business broadly between two areas. So the research section, going out looking into new technologies, finding out what's coming. Our clients pay for subscriptions to that research material. Sometimes they take data in a rawer sense. So we have a tool called Data Hub where clients can subscribe to particular cuts of data across various verticals, various geographies. And then we also have the more traditional consulting business where we typically engage with clients on a variety of strategic issues that they might be facing that we can help them out with in the industries that I talked about.
Thank you for this explanation. SmartCat has become our annual partner since the beginning, and they have supported the conference for many years now. Could you talk a bit about how this cooperation with SmartCat came about?
That's a good question, actually. So we previously worked with another company based in Novi Sad, where SmartCat are based, called Vega IT. We've worked with them quite some time. The Data Hub application that I was talking about, we needed to modernize it and refactor some of it, and we initially went to Vega to ask them to help out with that. And it became apparent through the conversations with Vega that it wasn't necessarily an application issue we had, it was a data issue, so we needed to work with a data specialist company, and they put us in touch with Nedad from SmartCat, and the rest has been history. So we've worked with them for a number of years since.
Thank you for that. And talking a bit about your panel, one part of it was dedicated to data-driven culture. Could you elaborate a bit more on the importance of data-driven culture, especially in the process of digital transformation?
Okay, so I think it's becoming increasingly apparent to me that data and digital go hand in hand. You can't make smart decisions without having the data behind them, and you can't work out how you're going to digitalize your business without giving consideration to the data behind it. Particularly in the market that we're in consultancy and research market, all our value is tied up in knowledge and in the IP that we have. So we need to be able to work better with the data that's held in there. So in order to digitalize our business, the process of digitalizing it is making that data accessible to our employees, that they can then surface it to our clients afterwards. So it's completely hand in hand the way I see it.
Well, thank you for those insights. And now pushing a bit into your wider field, your company is one of the leaders in TMT industry management consulting. How big of a change have you witnessed from your side as a consultant during the pandemic?
We were very lucky, actually. So we pursued a fairly aggressive cloud strategy prior to the pandemic. So our infrastructure was in place and ready to go. The nature of the beast as well with a consultancy firm is that our employees are used to working anywhere. They could be working on client side, could be working from home, could be working in the offices. So it was a fairly minimal shift in terms of working practice. We day one, when there was a lockdown in the UK and in the various other countries that we work in, people were ready to go, hit the ground running and carried on. We found actually that the pandemic didn't hit our business particularly hard, and in fact there was increased business, you would say, due to the pandemic. So companies that had that were facing the traditional challenges of the pandemic, how can we support people teleworking, for example, were coming to us for advice to help them over those problems. So we actually not only survived well through the pandemic in terms of keeping our own business processes going, but it became a new market offering, if you like, to our clients to see how they could work better using our expertise.
And how much of this change was actually empowered by analytics, data, and AI?
I think it absolutely was. So I think being able to look at the world, look at how the world was reacting to the pandemic, and to be able to take a holistic view of that, driven by the data that was behind it. We were able to kind of package that up and then give sensible advice. So yeah, without having that data and having the analytics behind that, we would have struggled.
And just a final quick question for the end. Yes or no, can we expect you to come back next year to our event?
Absolutely, if you'll have me.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will.
Thanks very much. Hi there, I'm Ben Griffiths. I'm the Director of Digital Technology Solutions for Analysys Mason, a global TMT consultancy and research house.